good, y'all? Welcome back. We got the car situation figured out finally, so now we can go ahead and go with the mid-muffler delete like I said in the last video. Yeah, it only took about 3 days. I got the car back and now it's time to go get that mid-muffler delete. I mean, all you hear is straight supercharger in the car when I'm driving. It's cool enough, but I do want to hear more noise when I'm driving around. Let me show y'all what it sounds like just now. See, it's all just straight supercharger. It's cool, but like I said, I do want more noise. So I'm at the mall right now. I'm waiting for my friend to get here. He's also pulling up. He's gonna be coming with us too. He's gonna cut off something too. I'm gonna let him tell you all that when he gets here. And yeah, I'll pick up the camera. That's what the cold start sounds like. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I ain't cut nothing up yet. My bro's cat right here, pulled up. He's also coming with us. He's gonna be cutting off. What you cutting off today?
We're cutting off the resonators off the back. We already got a mid-muffler delete, so when you hear it, it's probably gonna sound a little louder than that, but we're hoping to make it a lot more louder. So let's hear it.
See what it sounds like? Yeah, that bitch sound crazy already.
I'm trying to hear it go crazy with the resonators on.
So it's a little before and after. Show y'all when we get up there. Rolling out now. We better head over to the spot. It's about damn, that bitch already sound crazy, but it's about a 40-minute drive, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when we are there. We made it here now. About to get the mids cut off. Show y'all that in a minute. We got big cat right there. Big Daytona right there. Badass horse. What you just get done to the car, man? Catless scat? Catless scat? Not bad. One put up to the shop. Got the first one off already. Second one is off. Look at this Camaro. Slicks. Spoiler. Said he's pushing over 1,000. What's going on?
David, you vlogging right now? Show the people, man. What is this?
Oh, chill out. Let's get it out. What the fuck is that? Hey, what is that?
You was straight recording too.
What is that?
Yeah, chill out. What that? That's the what you call it? The plum stitch right there. You feel me? Hey, hold on.
They done talked them in.
Review, man. Let me see that. Let me see the plum stitch. Top out. Big birth certificate. You feel me? We got the whole thing. 15 inches. Plum stitch. Let's go. You see what's going on, man.
So on the car?
Matching.
All right, he got it. He got it.
You see my boy out here. He's stuck.
Better go get your Hello Kitty.
Bring your kitty out.
Nah.
Bring the kitty.
I can stay in the car.
Why are you embarrassed for that? Hey, he can't
The big skit.
I had that picture of him hugging the bear. He came all over. Oh, chill out. That's going off the video.
Daytona seats. Daytona seats go crazy. Not gonna lie. Oh, hold on, look at the steering wheel. RPM wheel on that bitch. Okay. This bitch is clean. Got the Halloween colors going on the cat. You did this?
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Well, technically I did this, but I didn't really paint this. I had somebody who wanted to paint it, or else I would have done it.
Otherwise, he painted it
But
though.
it's a nice little job, man. We got the covers over here painted up. Shout out to 392 Chris for doing those. You feel me? Look him up on YouTube. On the route to 50,000 subs. Get him there, people.
100.
And we got A little bit of work on the down low. The whole supercharger's painted. You'll see it. Eventually, we're gonna be getting a little supercharger lid badge. We're gonna be going crazy, man. Stay tuned. Hellcat Rick, y'all. Check me out too.
Yeah, I'll go check them out. Got the logos orange. It's crazy.
I don't even know if that would fit. Like, charger with it.
More orange SRT. This bitch put together for sure. Have to go hard. Oh, that sound way better for sure. Yeah, that shit made a difference, no cap. Oh, I'm fucking with it, I'm fucking with it. Eat next. Ricky, what you cutting up?
Yeah, what?
What you doing to your car?
Cutting off the resonators, but I already got the bids cut, so let's see. Now he's gonna rev it.
Got the resonators coming off on the purple cat. Real cat came to show some love. What do you got going on, man? First one off. The resonators cut off. When you hit the gas, it sound good though. When you on the gas, hell yeah. Everybody got some shit done today, man. Little supercharger in that bitch, you hear that? Oh shit, this bitch supercharged, I ain't even know. Got mine right here, let me do one more cold start for y'all before we hit the road. Dude, that shit is way louder. Different. But yeah, about to head out now. It's starting to get dark. You're starting to see the cat a little bit more with some light. Look at that. Let's get it. Definitely sounds way louder even in the cabin. Nah, yeah, definitely sounds way louder, sounds way better. So like that's all I was needing. Like it was cool with the supercharger, but at the same time, you know, you want to hear that roar sometimes. So I think mid-muffler delete was a good move for sure. First I was scared, wasn't gonna be able to hear it, but nah, man, for sure you could definitely hear it. So I'm happy about that. I think it turned out pretty good. Everybody was pretty happy on how they shit sound now, so yeah. And that's not even full throttle. Sound good. Let y'all hear it one more time. Sheesh, that bitch sound good, man.
How to get gas? You tripping? Hey, the green pump.
Running out of pump gas. What's going on for real?
What, it ain't working? You might have to go to a different pump for it. probably gonna have to hit it different.
This shit popping like crazy. I don't know if y'all can hear that. This shit sound crazy. Here's the next day. I'm gonna get a little cold start for y'all. Y'all can see what this sound like.